Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the 1 hour time frame chart of gold XAUUSD. Gold is now, it is high probability that gold is now going to break this high and once again is going up for a new high. Now let us analyze it. This is just an analysis. After watching this analysis complete, you can watch the gold move. If that happens, you appreciate my this video, then subscribe my channel, then comment on this video also. Now let us see. Now let us begin the analysis. Now first gold completed this way as high. Let me show you here. What did gold do? Gold completed its high, where I want to show you here. First gold completed as this level as all-time high, then retraced up to this level, then made a support here. So ultimately after this support, this all-time high, this resistance was broken and gold here went up for a new high. That is here that we have actually 4,525 and something. So now from here gold came down here for retracement and support. It means this support was not broken. Actually this was a new support or whatsoever. From here went up and consolidated above the previous all-time high, and this was used as a resistance. This temporary support was broken to the downward, and ultimately a new support has been created here, that is between, and this is now again gold has broken back into this resistance. So this does not exist more. Now we have the supports, this one and this one. Now for understanding this, we will have to move to the, now what are we expecting? Either breakout of this level or this will remain here, or it will go to retest here. So let us see what happens. But it is high probability that gold is leading up to this level right now. This is my analysis, not any financial advice. You do decide for yourself, but I am going to give you proper what do I see the market of the gold right now as. If you have not seen my previous analysis, you could watch. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. Now we are moving to the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, I am going to give you the trade. Now on the 15 minutes, what we have here on the 15 minutes, now we will have to make this more visible. On the 15 minutes we have a resistance. Here we have a resistance. Now I am moving this to the 15 minutes support. Sorry, not resistance, but we have this 44.77. We could even put stop loss at this level or at this level. We don't need to move for the stop loss to down. So I think 44.74 is a stop loss, or if you want to maximize it here or here, we don't need to go more far. And actually it also depends on how the day opens. Now we are moving to the 5 minutes time frame, because all time frames matter. On the 5 minutes, what level we have the support at this level. If gold opens below, opening is very important, below this, then this will not exist anymore. If gold opens from the same place, exactly same value, then this will remain here. If gold opens below this, then this 15 minutes support will not exist. But currently I am talking about right now. The condition is exactly what the price action tells us right now. Now let us move to the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, we don't need to go for higher time frames right now, because on the higher time frame we already know each and everything. We don't need to repeat anything now. On the 1 minute time frame, we have this support here. So if gold opens below this, then it will be below 1 minute and 5 minutes. So now let us move to the 15 minutes time frame, that is the suitable for putting the long position. Now in this bullish scenario, when the retracement is complete, we do not need to go far. Now on the 15 minutes time frame, what was, we had this resistance. This was the resistance, and gold could not break this 15 minutes time frame. And gold is consolidating here and making the area shorter and trying to break this level. Once enough buying is done in this area in the 15 minutes time frame, this consolidation, now I want to show you, this is the consolidation. This 15 minutes low size, low range consolidation will break to the upward and break this resistance. It is high probability. This is my analysis. Now we need to, once again, now we have decided this is the stop loss entry. If the market opens from the same minute, which is here somewhere, it is here. This is all depends on the opening. If gold opens below this, then this will be broken. So in the following condition, when we are watching this chart right now, this is the stop loss. Okay, and now entry where the market is right now. If it opens from the same place, for example, we consider it is opening from here. So this is the entry and this is the stop loss. Now this is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now let me remove this, and once again we are moving to the 1 hour time frame, or 1 hour time frame, because 4 hour time frame we will not be able to watch. Now let me make it more suitable. Now let us make this. Now this is the 4 hour time frame, and the 4 hour time frame, it looks like quite strange how near this level of resistance here, and we are watching the 4 hours all bearish. But in bearish hours, market also buyers also buy this. In this period, buy was taken, buy, it was bought. So this was broken to the upward here. It was bought, it is bought, but it looks quite strange and small. So I think 1 hour time frame is more suitable to understand the price action. Now this is the for we have only this resistance right now, and this is high probability will be broken. We are expecting this to be broken. This is on the, did I mean no, this is not that. This is the previous high. The resistance here is we have here. So it is high probability that this will be broken to the upward. So I am removing once again this. I am removing this. I don't consider this as now resistance. Now we have this is the entry, this is the stop loss. You can put further it down, it's all up to you, and it all depends upon how the market opens. Please listen carefully. If the market opens below this, then this doesn't exist anymore. This is the only resistance that we have right now, and we don't know whether it will be broken or not, but the market is expected to go near to this. So for this, you take profit here, or if you put some other positions, 2 positions, 3 positions, part of the exit from here, and let the other go, because you will have the stop loss 2 away. Otherwise you also can break even that somewhere here. It's all up to you, but we don't know this will be broken or not. If this will be broken, then the gold will be going for a new high, and it is just going to retest this we don't know. No one knows what will happen. This is the thing that I am sharing with you. This is also analysis. No one knows what will happen, but this is my analysis. But my analysis says we don't know what will happen at this level. So now if we move to the 15 minutes time frame and watch what exactly that resistance is that we have on the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, we have this resistance first. If gold falls from this level, it won't be able to break this level. First, this is broken, then it is high probability that this will be broken to the upward. So you put take profit at below this 254522. So we are going to here take profit. Now, if broken, then it will be going for a new high. What we know currently, you can take private 4520. Now this is the long position. Long position. Here is the take profit option. I hope you liked my this analysis, and I want you to comment on my this video, like my this video, this analysis. But after watching the market, first watch this analysis, then see the what does market do. I don't know what will happen. What happens, you let me know in the